Hey friends, today I want to make a quick video showing you how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. This is important if you just wanted to take advantage of the free week trial and then didn't want to be charged for the upcoming month. So in order to do that, we're actually going to go to YouTube TV. So it's just going to be tv.youtube. I'm going to hit enter. And you're going to arrive on the home page. Now, again, you need to make sure you're signed in with your Google account. All right, once you're signed in and have arrived on the home page on Google TV, you're actually going to come up here to your settings, click on that, and then you're going to come to a menu item, and what we're going to be looking for is the membership section right here. If you come down, you can actually see you can deactivate your membership right here with this setting. I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, it's showing me that the billing is going to be paused after the 25th if you want to hit pause, or you can simply cancel the membership at this time. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel membership, and then it's going to ask you a quick survey question, and I'm just going to say YouTube TV is too expensive and click the next button. And yeah, basically it says, hey, come back anytime. You can do the standard membership rate for 40 bucks a month. And anything that we have as far as DVR'd or all the live TV settings, playlists, those kind of things, you just have to remember you're going to lose access to all those networks. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel YouTube TV there. And as you can see, it's no longer checked. I have the option here to restart the membership if I want to. Again, if you've already paid for that specific month, it's going to end at that specific billing cycle that you already signed up for. So you will have access to all of your shows and those networks and those kind of things until the subscription that you paid for ends. All right, I hope that helps. If it has, friends, would you hit that thumbs up button for us and hit the subscribe button? We're going to have a lot more tutorial videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.